Hey guys, I wanted to share with you my favorite kit that is offered by Skin by Nature. It comes with 4 products, and all the ingredients in these products are 100% natural, and Skin by Nature does not test on animals, so it's a great company to support as well as it's great products for your skin. So here's my favorite kit, facial in a bag.
Alright everyone, step 1, cleanse. We're going to cleanse with our Skin of Silk Micro Scrub. You don't need too much of an amount on there, just get a little bit, and then make sure you get all those problem areas, nose, chin, and your forehead. Usually the most common areas. And I like the way that Miranda is moving in circular motions. It's a great way to go. Alright, now she's rinsing off. Good thing the towel's handy.
Okay, the second step is to exfoliate. Actually, no, it's not. It's to extract. So this is where if you had any pimples or blackheads, you would go ahead and extract them. I don't have any, surprisingly, at the moment, so I'll just skip that step.
But at the bottom, before you go on to step 3, make sure that you tone with your Can't Do Without You toner. Nice little mist going on. Alright, step 3, let's massage. So now what you need to do is, after you've done your spritz with the CDY toner, while your skin is damp, apply the Sweet Baby Jane lotion liberally to your face. And like Miranda said, just a little bit. And make sure that you use fighting gravity moves, so push upward on your face. It'll make your face feel so nice. Maybe it'll take back a few years, I don't know.
Oh, great.
Every woman's trying to do that. I think they have the secret down. Alright, now we're on to step 4 with our mask.
So I have to do toner first or no?
No toner first.
Okay.
So we do our mask, and then you apply your TLC mask right over the massage cream, avoiding the eye area.
I'm going to shake it first. Shake it first.
Alright, we're back. Typical Miranda's phone. It's always running out of memory. It's too many dang pictures on her phone. Make sure you rub it nice all over your entire face. Don't rub it in too much. You don't want to rub it in.
Now we're going to wait 10 to 15 minutes until it's completely dry. You can feel a big difference once it's dried. Your face kind of just stiffens and hardens. So we'll wait for that. So once your face starts to feel really stiff and you feel like you can't smile, that's when it's time to come off. Okay, what's the next step, Michael?
Rinsed well. Good check. Now we're going to tone again. Heavenly. Ooh. Great. Final step, moisturize. So now again, you're just going to apply a small amount of your SBJ lotion to your face. Doesn't she look so gorgeous?
I love the way that the Sweet Baby Jane lotion smells and feels. So, that is the Facial in a Bag kit. Just those 4 products, and it makes your skin feel amazing. So it's a great buy. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.
One word, gorgeous.